Team 708 Hatters Robotics is a group of people dedicated to using the opportunities we've been given to make the largest impact possible. Through the school district support, we've been able to incorporate all 4 programs in our district.
We have first teams in all of our elementary schools, our middle school, and the high school.
Since 2011, we have expanded from 1 team to 20 teams with over 230 participants.
Team 708 helps with all the funds. We also mentor all of the FLL and FTC teams, which helps them learn and prepare for FRC.
I can teach the younger kids like all the stuff that I've learned, and I want it to be just as important as it was for me for the kids.
The school district actually wants to advance on what we're teaching all of these students and incorporate that into the curriculum. By doing that, they are adding STEM labs throughout the districts.
Team 708, through our partnership with the Happawasham School District, is able to facilitate the operations of First Mid-Atlantic. We store all of the pods and field components throughout the year. We facilitate the delivery and construction of the field components, and we volunteer at all events.
Since 2012, we have hosted a First Mid-Atlantic competition.
Having started 2 years ago, and that's our off-season competition, and that started just as a way to bring our teams together.
We host a dual FLL and FTC Qualifier event.
By having the FLL and FTC competition combined into one, the FLL kids got to see how far they can go in FTC and where they're going to go.
The past 3 years we've hosted kickoff, and we also produced the First Mid-Atlantic welcome video. Volunteering is a big thing within the team. We see it as important because we are so thankful of all the volunteers that help us.
Every year we do community demos that show off First.
We do community outreach and demonstrations in order to gain recognition in our community and help children and parents get interested in First and hopefully get them into our program.
Within the district, there's definitely been a shift from just us being that nerdy group of kids to that group of kids who builds an amazing robot.
A lot of different clubs and activities in our school have reached out to us to do various things for them.
We actually have done work with the Happawasham Marching Unit, where we made an LED system that worked with their show and changed based on what was happening in the show.
Team 708 points all of its students in the way of STEM. It puts them in a position where they want to be doing engineering. They want to continue what they've learned. And our environment here is just so lighthearted and fun. We all joke around with each other. We treat each other like brothers and sisters.
It's almost like changed me, like who I am, and made me realize a lot of the things I want to do and a lot of the things I can do that I never really thought.